Goal setting is so much a key to success that it's cliche. We all know it, but most of us don't do it. First, we want you to know that this is not just another lame goal-setting program. It gives you everything you need to set achievable goals and achieve your breakthrough. Second, regardless of how cliche it is, goal setting is vital if you want any chance of fulfilling your dreams with your career or your personal life. Most people only consider their goals once a year around New Year's Eve. And according to a study published by the University of Scranton, people who don't set goals are missing out because people who explicitly make resolutions are 10 times more likely to attain their goals than people who don't explicitly set them. 10 times more likely. Those are some good odds. However, your odds could be much, much greater. What if you could learn what those who succeed at their goals actually do differently than everybody else? And then you could do that. Well, you can. In over a decade of studying human potential and psychology, coaching and training individuals and team members, and running our own business, we've learned why most people and their businesses fail at achieving their goals. The truth is that most people don't have the mindset for success. They don't have goals and they don't make a plan. And when they do, they don't use an effective strategy for succeeding with their plan.
In this course, we will provide you the blueprint we use to surpass our goals year after year. Whether you want to implement this proven strategy for yourself, your team, or your organization, you'll be able to identify specific, achievable goals that inspire you. You'll be able to write a detailed, actionable, short, and long-term plan. You'll be able to check in, reprioritize monthly and weekly. You'll know exactly what steps to take right now. You'll also avoid common roadblocks and easily navigate changing priorities. You'll also remain motivated and empowered along your journey to success.
Joelle and Natalie Rivera of Transformation Academy are life coach trainers and entrepreneurs who have trained hundreds of thousands of people from around the world. Their content is based on their educational background in psychology and education and nearly 2 decades of experience in the fields of life coaching, social services, and entrepreneurship, as well as Joelle's background as a psychology instructor, his master's degree in counseling, and research on happiness for his dissertation for a PhD in psychology.